Hello, friend. Welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In our previous section, we have to discuss about our coupon process. This was the Ajax coupon process. I just show you and repeated it once time. Here, look at that. So total amount is currently 50. So you just use in LMS coupon and look at that. Here is that this is the total discount is $10 and it will be the 40. This will be the very perfect. Okay, now when you go to the checkout, just wait, and here you see that all of this data is in here. Original price is perfect, but look at that, the coupon discount and the total price will be the missing. But don't worry, step by step I will manage from this. So first of all, we have lot of work today. So first of all, we will manage the order summary. Fine. Uh, After then, go to the fix for our select payment method. Particularly in this project, I just implementing Stripe and PayPal. But for requests for other guys, I just used in here Pay also. Stripe and Pay, but it takes some time. So initially we just install in Stripe, but most of the subscriber of this channel requested they have to integrate it in Pay in this platform. It will be helpful. So don't worry, step by step I will manage for this. So okay, let's go to our VS Code and should take action. Now here, look at this. I just clear all of this file. Better will be understand. And here, this the here coupon request. Okay. Now just keep coupon controller and this index dot blade dot php. Here is the checkout. Okay. And here you see that here is the form ID will be the oh sorry, that's my mistake. Yeah. Okay. Here is this our payment form. Okay, payment form. But here this is not my concern. Actually, here is this. This is the original price is perfect. Okay. Now original price is perfect. It's fine. And here coupon discount and also our total. Okay. So now first of all is the coupon discount. Here is the coupon discount, right? So okay, we just make a condition here. If session coupons, more coupon, and first of all, wrap for indiv. Okay, here this is the coupon discount, and actually this coupon is comes from our session. Okay, so better this the dollar is fine. We just keep the dollar. And now the wrapping the bracket. Code session perfect, this the gate and it will be the coupon. We just check it, is it work or not? Okay, and now just keep reload. Yeah, that's work fine. And now we need to be fix our total, right? Now here is a total. So once again is here is needs some calculation. Suppose this is the total session section, okay, coupon, right? Okay, now so input. Here is input type hidden because there's this data will send to this database. So that's why we just take the hidden input field and name will be the total price. Definitely value comes from total minus similar just so session and get coupon. Okay. I think everything is fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay, just check it. Okay, just take reload and it's perfect. Total is fine. Now gonna be the problem. Now here is the change for in here. Okay. Now in here you see that here is this we have our direct bank transfer, right? So actually I think it's not required for direct bank transfer. We just clear for this. Here we just using in Stripe in here. So step by step just keep follow the process. It's simple, please don't be the confused. So first of all I just for ID its place for strive, fine, and name. So this is the payment type. Type will be the radio. It's the basic. I hope you guys will already understand for this. Otherwise, you just ask me a question, and I want to try your answer. This is not a value string. It's my mistake. It's a value stripe. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, and now this the level definitely it will be the stripe. And here we just for another things we just give the image actually. That's it. So oh my god, source asset front-end images stripe.png. You get the stripe.png. It's look like go to I just show you. Here is the public first of all go to the public directory. So model, I just keep wait. What is stuff database? Lots of file already created. I have in here. This project is so much large, so keep patience and look at the fonting. This is the images, and just find stripe.png. This is the serial. Look at that. This is the stripe.png. Okay, in here. You just show you guys not too difficult. I just put the image actually. Others is nothing. Okay, keep alter stripe image and also add the class. This class will be payment logo. Just check for our browser. Is it work or not? I hope it it's not gonna be the issue. In here now keep reload. Yes, but all of this in here is missing here. So I just check it and to solve the issue. Okay, okay, but data is fine. Okay, okay, nice. And all of this thing will be the change. I hope that I missed some classes. Okay. Okay, in here I have to check. We just one class will be mistake in here. So here is the div, and this is the class will be what the class? And class name is our template class. Its name is payment tab, payment tab toggle. And here you can see this PayPal, and PayPal will also this the class is payment tab toggle. Okay, this is not actually our my classes. Here is a template classes. That's why my design was broken, because design is very important. First of all, user interaction, user point of view is very important. But sometimes we not gonna be the focus in here, but your application is so much fine but your front end is not so looking good, it's not gonna be the user will be not proper attention in there. Okay, so be serious about the front end. Actually I will say that it's very important, because of that your product purchased by your customer, it's the flexibility provide your customer, so your customer is not happy, you have no point of view of the purpose for this like benefited. Okay, so okay, so payment acceptable, and now we on C. Once again I just check it, so that's why in here, but don't worry. Okay, this is the perfect, but PayPal is not attend, so okay, debit card not happen, because you have already knows why it's happen. I just also manage this. Okay, in here is the Stripe, and it will be our SH. Now gonna be this, and credit and debit card also, because lots of image is missing for our development phase. That's why this application will be slow. Otherwise this application will be very fast. When this project is completed, all of the source code you will be getting free, and you will be testing here. But in this moment I just to say that keep patience, because that is a large project, it's a professional project, you need to keep patience. Okay, so here is the font int. Okay, yeah, just keep reload once again. That's perfect, it's very nice. Okay, and here now we gonna be the proceed process. Before this, here is our main project, actually dev explorer. So first of all, I just show you. Actually, before the Stripe method, we gonna be the login, and we just take the credential. Here is our actually dashboard, and go to our configure setting and look at the Stripe setting. Okay, and this is the mail setting. Actually all of this step by step we will put in here. This is our Google setting, so we just manage all of the necessary things in our dashboard. I hope that you will be understand. Actually we need the CRUD operation about under the configuration setting, also about our mail setting, also about also as well as the Google setting. So not to touch any code for backend, user not needed for edit or modify .env file and etc. User, all of this user will be managed for admin dashboard. Okay, it's a very interactive. Just keep patience. In the next video I will try about the configuration setting. After completed the configuration setting, we just to start our proceed for checkout. Am I clear? I hope that it will be clear. Because of that, if you want to payment via Stripe, definitely if needed for your publishable key and secret key. Otherwise, you will not be handle for this payment gateway. But don't worry, step by step, I'll show it's everything. Okay, and lots of project is coming on. Bulk of videos I have already created for different project. So please keep patience in the channel. You just get all of the resource completely free. Thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.